Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your theme on Canva application. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your theme on Canva, firstly go ahead and launch open your Canva application. The home page of Canva application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page and tap on your profile name. From the displayed option, click on Settings. You will end up on the settings page of your Canva's account. On the next page, tap on Theme Details. Now to delete your theme on Canva, tap on Delete right next to Delete Theme option. Enter your theme name and tap on Delete Theme once again. This is how you can delete your theme on Canva quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.